Welcome to Athenty AI. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects all of us, whether we realize it or not. We're talking about card-present fraud. First things first, what exactly is card-present fraud? Well, it's a type of financial scam that occurs when a fraudster gets their hands on your physical payment card. You know, those little pieces of plastic we all carry around, and uses it to make unauthorized purchases. Well, here's the thing. Criminals can use sneaky devices called skimmers to steal your card information. These devices are designed to look like legitimate card readers, but they secretly capture your card's data when you swipe or insert it. Once the crooks have your card info, they might create counterfeit cards or use your details for online shopping sprees. And guess who's left holding the bag? Yep, you, the cardholder. There are steps you can take to protect yourself from card-present fraud. First, always cover your hand when entering your PIN. Second, give the card reader a quick check. If something looks off, trust your gut and don't use it. Third, consider using mobile payment options like Apple Pay or Google Wallet. Last but not least, you can always rely on Athenty's highly secured platform to ensure you and everyone else are authentic and identified. And that's it for this one. Hopefully, you learn why it's important to start using Athenty.